internet connection. What do you wish to do? I need new internet. Now. Please. You've got mail. Accessed.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a county flood warning for small streams in Floyd County in northwest Georgia, Gordon County in northwest Georgia, Whitfield County in northwest Georgia, until 9:30 a.m. Sunday. Several creeks and rivers remain in flood across portions of northwest Georgia today. Minor to locally moderate flooding will continue into Sunday. At 8:45 a.m. the Conasauga River 10 miles south-southeast of Dalton was at 19.9 feet and falling. Flood stage is 18 feet. At 8:45 a.m. the Oostenaula River in Cahoon was at 25.4 feet and slowly falling. Flood stage is 20 feet. Moderate flood stage is 25 feet. At 8:45 a.m. the Armuchee Creek near Armuchee was at 20.1 feet and slowly falling. Flood stage is 19 feet. Do not attempt to cross water of unknown depth on foot or in an automobile. Do not drive around barricades. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466.
What are you going to do? I would shoot myself in the head. Jumping off the Space Needle is stupid, and if I'm moving with my